So hello, what's up guys? I hope all are doing well, and let's start this video. So in this video I'm teaching you about how to use a uniq command. Okay, so uniq is basically used to remove or report duplicate lines from a file or a sorted file like that. It will just report duplicate files. How many duplicate files are there, and how do you print the only one duplicate line instead of printing two duplicate files like that. Okay, next let's start this. Okay, for that you need to add some duplicate. Okay, so there is already a duplicate. Okay, not to worry about that. Let's use uniq and exit.txt. It says there is it will just display the remove duplicate adjustment from the line from the sorted file like that. It will just display that content. Let's say you uniq and file c and file.txt. So it will just display something is wrong, I guess, because since it is duplicate. Okay, let's do one thing. What you do is that go inside a file and write a duplicate to next to it. Okay, let me do this way. This is the second file. Okay, let's save that. Now what I do, I use uniq and see exit.txt. So it is showing. So it is showing that there is two two spaces. It will just display the count of number of it will just display the count of number of times each line appears. So it is showing that there is two blank spaces, that will be here and here. That is what the use of -c command, -c argument. Then let's say that you need to count it and you need to remove it. Okay, you need to count it, then you need to remove it. So what it does, it will count the number of duplicate and it will remove the duplicate lines. That is what the use of cd, like it should be cd, sorry, it should be not cu, it should cd. Okay, so it has deleted 2 because as it was showing that 2 lines were blank, right? So now it has deleted 2 blank lines. Okay, the next thing will be using -i. Okay, what is this -i command? So -i command is basically will ignore cases, like case insensitive. It will just ignore the case insensitive. Then it will perform the comparison when identifying duplicate lines. It will just ignore the case insensitives. Okay, so the next argument will be using -t. So -t is nothing but that is used for dilemma. Let me say okay, then f1 and exit.txt. So actually -t does not exist, but does not exist. It's not in this OS because this OS does not support -t. There is some other OS which will support -t. You can use in that. Okay, the next argument will be using -d. So -d is nothing but it's nothing but which will display only the lines that are repeated. It will display only the lines that are repeated. So it does not display anything because this file contains 2 empty spaces, empty lines. Empty lines. So it is just displaying empty space, something like that. So there is 2 empty lines. So there is 2 duplicates. Okay, so next we'll go for -u. So -u is nothing but it will display the unique lines, it will display the unique lines. So I don't know why it is not catching this catch me if you can, and this is some as a duplicate lines. It is only capturing the spaces, I guess. Okay, so -u is basically to display only the unique lines. Okay, the next will be using uniq then help. You can actually use this whenever you don't know how to use the uniq command, or else the last command would be using version. It will show the version of that particular command. Then who are those person who wrote this particular unique command code. So that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.